So today we're going to rebuild this caliper. The one is already done, but this one will show you putting the new seals in it and everything. We already blasted it all up and painted it. You're still able to get a seal kit, which is like $4. So I figured I'd try and rebuild them. So this is the first main seal that seals the piston in the caliper. We'll put it in here. This is the third set of calipers I sandblasted and cleaned up, and then realized I couldn't get the seals for the old original calipers, so these are actually off a Mark II Jetta. So I got this brake lube. Let it seal up nice. Kind of hard to see in there. This seal, this is the one that's going to be fun to put on. Goes in there. Loop the piston up really well. This is the hard part, to get this lip out and get that piston inside of here. Might actually be easier putting this on here just a little bit first. I'm sure there's a special tool to spread this out open while you do it. Oh, it's not going to work either. Okay, now how am I going to do this? I have to try another way. Alright, figured out the easiest way to do it is to put the seal all the way on the piston first. Slide it all the way down so it gets in the first groove, so it can go back the right way like this. Get it just to that tapered spot. And then slowly get it in the groove. Make sure it's in all the way around. And then push the piston in. And there you go. That part's done. And I got new seal, or new boot kits. Hopefully they're the right size. slider pins I could find. They're not in the greatest shape, but I'll make sure that they're lubed up really well. Hopefully they won't give me any problems. Actually, those boots might not be the right ones for these. I'll have to look and see if I got other ones. They seem a little bit too tight, like they're not gonna want to slide very nice on them. I'll see if I got any other boots. Those other boot kits must have been for a Mark IV with the smaller pins. These ones are a lot nicer, sliding in there. That's much better. Nice and free so your brakes won't stick. Alright. 2 front calipers rebuilt, ready to be put on.